Oh, Marjorie! I was not expecting you until later. Welcome. I am the Mama Mas, aka the Mas, the Mamas. I take it you are here for the lesson on making fish tacos, no? Oui, Choto. Well, let's get started, shall we? We're going to need a little bit... Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so forgetful. I need to tell you about my Twitch channel. Look at all the delicious content you're missing out on.
You know what? I tend to shoot first, ask questions later. Let's try talking. Hi. Ah! No, it's not friendly!
Now, with that out of the way, let's dive right in. It's time for the traditional background on the recipe. You know, the one that you scroll through to get to the actual recipe and you're like, oh my god, lady, I don't really care. Just tell me how to make fish tacos. But you're gonna want to hear about this one. I remember when I was but a wee girl in the rich countryside. And that is why you should never pair skunks, emus, and cats together in culinary dishes. Thank you for listening to me. I'm sure you can see why fish tacos are very important to the French economy now. Are you ready? Let's go! To begin, you will need the following ingredients. Let's start by preparing our veggies. Chop up the red onion and then dice it. It's okay if it isn't exact, but the smaller the better. It makes it easier to put in the taco. Next, chop up your radishes into thin slices. Make sure not to include any radish greens. Finally, chop up a couple Napa cabbage leaves into strips. Obviously, the easiest way to do it is a food processor, but not everyone has one. Here is a guide on how to cut up the cabbage leaf without a food processor. First, wash the leaf thoroughly and chop off the bottom white part to the point where it is equal with the green. Next, fold the leaf inward on itself as if it were a blanket. Finally, chop as normal. Voila, you've got it. Now, you'll add all of the veggies into the bowl and prepare to season it. You will want to use vinegar, salt, and pepper. Be generous with the seasoning, but not too generous. There's nothing worse than soggy veggies or over-seasoned veggies. Season it to taste. Put your veggies off to the side and prepare to season your fish. I am using Rockfish as it is great for fish tacos. You can try using other fish and see how it tastes. Season it with cumin, salt, pepper, and light chili powder. Once seasoned, throw your fish into a pan with butter and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your stove. After that time, you're going to want to add some garlic. Let the garlic cook with the fish, maybe baste it a little until the fish has a nice brown, at which point you will remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. Don't worry if it breaks, that makes it easier to taco up. At the same time you are cooking the fish, warm up some tortillas in a pan without any butter or oil. I know, it's crazy, right? Leave the tortilla in for 30 to 60 seconds before removing it. Hold on to your pantalon. We're in the home stretch. Plate it up with veggies on bottom, fish in middle, mango and cilantro on top, and voila! Fish tacos. You did it! You have made some delicious fish tacos. Muy bon, so tasty. Mamma mia, chef's kiss. Thank you all for watching this delicious recipe video. What do you think you'll add next? Be sure to like and subscribe for more delicious content. Until then, sayonara!